So I was having an issue where I was changing out the battery LED over here, right there, and I was switching it for a white LED, and I tried two different ones, and it worked initially, but then after I turned it on a couple of times, the white LED just stopped turning on. I don't know why it was doing that, but it just stopped working. And I also wanted to actually have a different color in there. I wanted to put a UV LED in there to match the buttons, because the buttons are using UV LEDs as well. So I actually wanted to show you a workaround that I figured out to get any color LED working properly. So as the battery LED, I should say, it won't have necessarily the same function where it'll start like dimming if the battery gets too low, but you can aesthetically it can look however you want. So what I did is I just put a regular LED in there with the battery hole there, and then I bent down the legs and just fed the wires down this way and fed them over to where all the button LEDs are wiring into, and wired it into the same posts. And I tried it out, and it seems to be working pretty well. And yeah, let me put this all back together, and I'll show you what it looks like all closed up. All right, I got to put it all together, so let me flip it on there for you. And as you can see, I got the UV LED showing up right there, super bright, because it's going to the same posts as all the button LEDs. And yeah, I think it looks really good. Just did this one for as a commission. So yeah, let me know what you think of it.